This is day 5, baby. Day 5, baby. Day 5. I really wonder if I played some no copyright. Wait, if I turn this up, what does this do? Check, check, check. Check, 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 check. That's just like the headphone volume. Here we're on day 5. Let's go stare at this webpage. So yeah, day 4, it took a long time for me. Like my competition solution was pretty gross. But I went back this morning and I cleaned it up. Looks a lot better now. And it's like more efficient. I don't even want to talk about what I was doing yesterday. It was disgusting. But the solution I came up with this morning, let's say we have M rows and N columns, and the word that we're looking for is K characters long. My solution is O of M times N times K. Or you could just say we have N characters, then it's O of N times K, where K is the number of letters in the word we're looking for. Let's look for like some no copyright Christmas music. Copyright free. All right. North Pole hits. Let's open up our project. This is a holiday ale. It's really good. It's like cranberry spice flavored beer. Yeah, here's what I came up with this morning. It was part 1. Well, I cleaned up part 2, but part 2 functions the same way as it did last night. So for part 1, I just looped through all the characters. Well, first I read the data in as a grid, just like a 2D char array. And then I loop through all those characters, and for each one, I just search in all directions to see it, like, just count how many times Xmas shows up. Searching in the directions, I got these couple arrays up here for like the row and column offsets for like the eight orthogonal directions. It's orthogonal, right? And when I'm checking in a direction, I'm just matching against the word that we're looking for, which is Xmas. Dang, VS Code is being so slow. What are we waiting on? Oh, Java projects. Okay. Yeah, that's it for part 1. It was really simple. And then part 2, I just cleaned it up a little bit. It was the same thing I was doing yesterday, functionally. But I'm gonna try to finish today in less than 30 minutes. It's not gonna be a 2-hour night. It probably will be. Day 5. Still copyright free, right? Just checking. Yeah. So day 5. Come on, buddy, wake up. thing is taking forever. Are we? No, we're not even there yet. Let's just like... It's been so slow. I should have honestly did a reboot earlier, but it's fine. Come on, Java projects. One minute. Come on now. I guess I don't have to wait on that. Alright, here we go. Wonder what today is going to be. Probably a binary search. I'm just guessing. I'm just guessing. Satisfied with their search on series, the squadron of scholars suggests subsequently scanning the stationary stacks of Basement 17. The squadron of scholars suggests oh my gosh. Satisfied with their search on series, the squadron of scholars suggests subsequently scanning the stationary stacks of Sub-Basement 17. Incredible. Unbelievable. The North Pole printing department is busier than ever. This close to Christmas, and while historians continue their search, this historically significant facility, an ELF operating a very familiar printer, beacons over. I don't even know what the fuck I'm reading. What the heck I'm reading? We'll just pretend I didn't say that. The ELF must recognize you because they waste no time explaining what the new sleigh launch safety manual updates won't break. Safety protocols clearly indicate that the new pages for safety manuals must be printed in a very specific order. The notation X pipe Y means that if both page number X and page number Y are to be produced as part of an update, page X must be printed at some point before page Y. Oh, interesting. The ELF has for you both the page ordering rules and the pages to produce in each update. Your puzzle input. Okay, page ordering rules, pages to produce. But can't figure out whether each update has the pages in the right order. How did I do this last year? The first section specifies the page ordering rules, one per line. So these are the page ordering rules. So 47 must become before 53. 97's got to come before 13. 47's got to come before 61. Right? Is that what that means? Are to be produced as part of an update. Page number X must be printed at some point before page Y. Yeah. The first section specifies the page ordering rules, right? One per line. The first rule, this, means that if an update includes both page number 47 and page number 53, then page number 47 must be printed at some point before page 53. 47 doesn't necessarily need to be immediately before 53. Other pages are allowed to be in between them. Interesting. The second section specifies the page numbers of each update. Because most safety manuals are different, the pages needed and the updates are different too. The first update means that the update consists of page numbers 75, 47, 65. Yeah, we know. To get the printers going as soon as possible, start by identifying which updates are already in the right order. So this one's in the right order. So these are updates. Yeah, one update on each line. 75 is correctly, before 47. Right. Because the first update does not include some page numbers, the ordering rules involving those missing page numbers are ignored. The second and third updates are also in the correct order according to the rules, like the first update. They also do not include every page number. And so only some of the ordering rules apply, right, within each update. The ordering rules that involve missing page numbers are not used. The fourth update is not in the correct order. It would print 75 before 97, which violates, the 97-75 rule. Everybody knows about that rule. The fifth update, 611329, is also not in the correct order since it breaks the rule 2913, right? And the last update's not in the right order due to breaking several rules. For some reason, the elves do not need to know the middle page number. Oh, the elves also need to know the middle page number of each update before being printed. Because you're currently only printing the correctly ordered updates, you will need to find the middle page number of each correctly ordered update. In the above example, the correctly ordered updates are these three. And then sum those middle page numbers up. Oh man, how am I going to do this? What do you get if you add the middle page number from those correctly ordered updates? Right. So, brute force. Iterate through each one of an update. So just grab an update and iterate through it. 75. The first one actually doesn't matter. So you could just start at the second one. You could always just start at the second one. So 47. Is 47 in any rules? It's 40, and just verify. Well, maybe you should. 75. Can it come after the one before it? And can it come before the one in front of it? What kind of time complexity would that give us? Well, we could just have are these rules, they're not unique. Well, they could be unique. Yeah, she need to make a hash map, I think. Right? So let's get the ordering rules. Okay, I'm going to make a hash map of the ordering rules. And it's going to be one number mapped to, I'll use a set. Yeah, I'll use a set. I think sets are faster or something. Yes. So day 5. Let's go ahead and write our test first. I'm trying to get a job, so I'm trying to practice TDD here lately. Test day 4. Oh, that's right. We're on day 5. Test day 5. Wake up. Where's my autocomplete and stuff? Oh my goodness. This thing is so laggy. So we're not gonna need that. Not gonna need that. I will need something similar to that. Except it's gonna be a day 5. Test day 5. Let's do part 1. And I'll just call it sample equals let's grab this sample input here. I think it needs to be like that or something. Yeah, we'll just do it like that. It's fine. Yeah, I'll keep the new line there and tab this up. Yeah, right there. Okay, so that's our data. And the expected is 143. And it's gonna be day 5 dot part 1. Day 5. Why is this not angry at me right now? I have no idea. Day 5 part 1 sample. Okay. Okay. Oh, go back to that. I don't know why it's not mad right now. Let me like reload window or something. There we go. Yo, autocomplete is not working very well right now. Oh, we gotta wait for it to like come back to life. Okay. What is this package? Should be AOC, yeah. It's so laggy. It's actually driving me crazy. I think my RAM is just not handling it, dude. It's like, let's just close Spotify. I think it's... And the music's still playing. Okay. Yeah. Computer just can't handle all that, I guess. Okay. Wow, this is being super annoying. What are we gonna do first? Let's make the rules. So it's gonna be a map. And we say we're going to map integer to a set of integer. Rule. I'll say rules. And then I think you could split by like a double new line or something. And we're gonna split by a double new line. And that should give me both. That should give me all the parts that I need. What's the other part? Update. Crap. And we'll just make a method for that. Well, it can be private. Init rules, or yeah. And then, so this is just going to be a line of rules. So I think I have a thing for that. Or I just use parsers, right? Parsers dot. I guess I don't, huh? Is it in readers? Wait, what do I want to read as? Just a string. We just want to read lines. We're going to return arrays.stream data dot oh wait, that's right, data dot split. Yeah, like that. Dot collect. Collectors dot to list. And from here we're gonna return, or actually, yeah, it's just a void. So we'll say parsers dot read lines data dot stream dot for each, wait, yeah, for each line. It's just numbers, right? I mean, I could just do it as strings. I mean, it could really just be strings. I'll do strings. Hopefully I don't have to do any math with them. I mean, I could easily go back and change that. For each line, we're gonna say rules.put for each line. We're going to split by this guy. And then we're going to say rules.put parts 0 well, and then say if rules dot contains key parts 0, then rules dot get parts 0 dot add parts 1, else rules dot put new hash set then I think I can do list dot of parts 1 like that. Okay. So for each one of those lines, you know, split it by the little OR deal, the little pipe boy right there, split it by that. And then, yeah, if the key's already in there, add it to the hash set. If it's not there, put a new hash set as the value with the right side element in there. Yeah, okay. Okay, so we got the rules. So we got the rules now. Now that we have the rules, we need to a valid update. You know, make a method for that. Is valid update. This is just going to take one line. And we're just going to iterate through. We're going to iterate through the characters. we're going to iterate through these characters and wait. Oh. I'll say it's going to be an array. It's going to be an array. So we're going to iterate through these guys and if not, valid position I in update. Return false. So if there's one character in there that's no bueno, return false. If we make it to the end of this, return true. Valid. What's a valid position? So we're going to look left and we just want to make sure there's not a rule that has, oh, we'd have to like loop through the whole thing every time. It's going to be crazy slow. We're just going to do it. What if I went backwards? Yeah, because something could be... So what is a violation? It's when... So this piece must become before this piece. So if this piece was over here. So for each character, if we just look behind it, would we just look behind it? Yeah, just look behind it. For each character, just look behind it. If any of the characters before it are in, yeah. So we're gonna start at 1. Actually, just wait. Yeah, I mean, I guess I could start. Doesn't really matter. I'll just start at 1. And then we're just going to look at everything before it is a valid position. So. Or J is actually going to be less than I. We're going to say if update J, we're going to say if rule dot get update I, dot contains update J. Return false. This is gonna be so slow. Return true. And if any character is not in a valid position, return false. Seems right. And let's do part 1 now. Shoot it down here.
The right diaper for your
Oh my
child
goodness.
is the one I can't take off.
It's an ad. Sorry guys. I had like a lava lamp going on YouTube on my TV for just silent ambience.
The baby-proof diaper.
I'm just gonna leave these here. You can watch it, right? You seem trustworthy.
This will be protected.
It's Olay body wash with
Oh my
skincare
gosh.
ingredients.
It's like a whole 45 seconds of ads. I can just turn the volume down. I'm so dumb sometimes. So this is going to be an int, right? Part 1. And it's going to take update data. I could just say data in this context. And the data we're going to split it by new line. And return oops dot map each one of those updates to what? Really? Oh. Wait, what? Oh. Just split it again. Split it by comma. Split it by comma. And what are we doing here? Dot filter. I guess I could filter. Or just counting, right? Yeah, I don't need to map. I just need a filter. And then return a count. Wait, not the count. We want that center character. Oh, this is nice. Map each valid update to its center character. Wait. This is getting a little ridiculous. We're gonna map each update to update.split. That was crazy. So we're going to stream the updates. We're going to map each one to a string array splitting by the columns. And for each one of those, we're going to see if it's a valid update. Or we're going to filter just to the valid ones. And then we're going to map it to that center character that we're interested in. You know, cast them all to integers and sum them up. That should be part 1. And let's see if we pass our test. Why is IntelliSense not working? First try? There's no way. I gotta see it for myself. So this is a sample file. This is part 1 sample. This is day 5. Day 5 sample, and it should be like what, yeah. Oh, yeah. How did my test pass? You're lying. There's no way this. How did this pass? Oh. Well, that shouldn't matter, but... Well, it might matter. I don't know. That was weird. I actually don't know how that's passing. But I do need to... Yeah, what is going on with that? That's weird. I gotta see what's up with that. But when I init this, I need to say rules equals new hash map. Why is it null? Wait, can you get... Oh, okay. So it's going to return null. $278 is not correct. Let me make sure I'm making my rules right. So reading each line. Split it by the pipe. Rules dot contains key parts 0. And just get the set that's the value in there. And add parts 1. Else rules dot put new hash set list out of parts 1. Definitely making the rules right. Oh wait. Valid position. Rules I get update I is not equal to null. Rules I get update I. Yeah, why is this not working? Seems like it should work. Let me make sure I'm getting the right center things. What the heck just happened? That was weird. Oh, it looks like all of them are passing for some weird reason. Now this part looks right to me, so maybe the rules aren't coming out right. Let's check that. Oh, that is definitely not right. That is not right at all. How are we getting that? We're splitting by that. What? What is going on? Read lines? What is read lines doing? Let's double check that. Well, mm-hmm. Oh, it's comma separated? What? Oh, no, it's not. But for each one of those, you need to split it by this new line, which I'm totally doing. Yeah, that part looks right. I need to escape this. I forgot. This means something in regular expression. Son of a gun. $143. $143. Sweet. So let's get our actual input. Actually, let's see what's up with our test. How the heck were we passing that test earlier? Where does init get called? How is this passing? This should not be passing. I have no idea how this is passing. Something's weird. 5 actionable tasks. No. Something's wrong. Something is weird. I see it. It's just a text file. Oh, I hate when it auto... It's just like, hey, that's Java. Let me put this J here so you'll never find out. Okay. Should be passing the test. Why? Number format exception. Maybe I need to... You know what? I know it's working, so I'm just not going to worry about that test right now. And let's just grab our input. Dang, we're already at an hour almost. I'm so slow. Yay! While the elves get to work printing, and it was pretty fast too, right? It's like not slow. Huh, that's fast. While the elves get to work printing the correctly ordered updates, you have a little time to fix the rest of them. For each of the incorrectly ordered updates, use the page ordering rules to put the page numbers in the right order. $47, $29, $47. Oh, take only the incorrectly ordered updates. Order them correctly and then just give the same middle digit thing again. So take the incorrectly ordered guys. Let's do that first. That's easy, we can do that. So it's going to be real similar to this, except this time we're going to filter to the ones that are not valid, and then first we're going to map to we're going to make it to a valid update. Yeah. So to make a valid update, this is going to be tricky to make it valid. Oh. Actually, how are we going to do this? How are we gonna do this? I know what'll help. So how... I mean, we're sorting, basically. Is there a way that we can, like, merge sort these things? How long are they? They really aren't that long. So, look at them. Yeah, none of them are that long. So we don't really need to worry about merge sort too much. Or time complexity there. So what if you just did like a greedy solution? Like, what if you start from the beginning? And then when you find a character that's in the wrong spot, like you get to this guy and say he's got a guy he needs to be before him over here. Boom. So maybe we should start from the right side. Start from the right side. Yeah, start from the right side. I feel like that should work. If I start from the right side, look at one. So everybody before me is not in my rule set, right? But if it is, which way should I? You should start all the way from the left. And then move it all the way over. Yeah, just do a little swap. Well, would a swap be okay? You might not want to do a swap. Since we're going to be swapping things, I think I'll probably use like a linked list or something. Well, not swapping things, I mean inserting in the middle. Does it matter? So starting at the right side. Starting at the right side. No, you don't want to swap. What if you did swap? What if you did swappy woppy? No, you don't want to do that. Yeah, we're not going to swap. I just want to pull it out. And then put it, whatever. We'll just try it. If not valid position, I invalid update, then Yeah, what if I did that? Yeah, just be like, let's see what that does. Invalid update. So I am gonna swap, but I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna do something really ghetto. I'm not even gonna say it in words right now. Invalid update. What does that return? Arrays. What does this return? Oh, so this returns the index. Oh my gosh. And this should give me, I should get back 123 for part 2. 123, right? Yeah. Oh yeah, we gotta like where's that happening? Yeah. So just like do something like this. Basically be the same crap right here. Except it's going to be 123. This is part 2. Oh! Okay, so we're just not getting the right answer. Not that one. Do the sample. And this should give us 143. Yeah, 123. I'm calling part 1 right here. Excellent. Heck yeah. Not too bad. About an hour. Kind of slow. But not too bad. Okay. That's it for today. I'm going to clean this up. You can always go to my GitHub if you want to see the nice clean solutions. Thanks for watching.